Morning, everybody. It's Chris Barber here. I just want to reiterate on a few things that have happened in the last 14 or so months with the legal aspect going forward. As everybody knows, we have a lot of legal trouble ahead of us and still forward, including the $400 million lawsuit with people and citizens of Ottawa against some of the people, including myself, Tamara, and many others. And besides that, the criminal charges that we're facing trial in September. But I need to remind everybody out there that the Justice Center for Constitutional Freedoms has been backing us on a lot of this financial support, and they desperately need donations for us to keep this fight up. So I have with me James Manson. He's the lawyer for the $400 million lawsuit against us.
Hi, everybody.
James is representing us right now against Paul Champ and Zexi Lee. Do you want to speak at all?
No, Chris, thanks very much, everybody. I just wanted to just quickly say hi, lend my support to Chris's message here. We are doing everything we can to stand up for freedom in this country, to stand up for the rights of the truckers, and to stand up for really the rights of all Canadians as we've come through these last few years. Which have been unprecedented in terms of what we've had to deal with from a civil liberties point of view, from a constitutional point of view, from a government overreach point of view. We're doing as much as we can, and we are very happy and honored, I must say, to support Chris and all of the other defendants in this case. We can only do it with the support of donors like you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and keep it coming, because these are complicated times, these are complicated battles we're fighting, and unfortunately they all come at a bit of a cost, particularly Chris's defense on the criminal side, as well as all of the class action defense work that I'm handling for Chris and all the other defendants. So back to you, Chris.
We greatly appreciate it. As I said, when we rolled into Ottawa, there was one organization that actually stood up at the beginning, and that was the Justice Center. They flew lawyers out to help us, to aid us in that, and they're still fighting with us today. But we desperately need people's help with donations to keep this fight going. We do. So we're here with Harold Yonkers. Harold, you are now part of this class action lawsuit too?
Yeah, it's actually an honor to be part of it in some way. When I first talked about it with James too, I said to him, it doesn't seem fair that some people that are on this lawsuit are on it and I'm not. So it's bittersweet to be on it, but at the same time, it's like, don't fight to get me on it, because we do need to continue fighting. And wow, it's been an awesome ride. It's been a pleasure to meet gentlemen like Chris Barber, James Manson, and so many more. The family's huge, and it is. We need to keep this family support going and continue to
100%.
Fight for everybody.
130,000 lawyers across Canada, and I'm proud I've met the ones that are willing to stand up with us. So
the last thing I would say is that it's through support like this that allows us as lawyers and as counsel to carry on this fight in a peaceful way, in a democratic way, yes. Right? Which is, I think, a testament to the strength of our system in our country. So hopefully we can carry on that fight and hopefully prevail.
Keep the thoughts and the prayers coming. We appreciate the support everywhere I go. I'm just laid back with how much support is actually out there. So we appreciate it. Justice Center Constitutional Freedoms, please reach out to them and help with donations. Thank you so much, everyone.